Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Donna, the Blissful Planner. Today I have the pre-plan for the week of February the 15th through the 21st. And I sort of got my plans a little bit backwards, but that's okay. You know, you guys know I fly by the seat of my pants. So if you want to see what I've got planned for the 15th through the 21st in my skinny mini weekly layout, stay tuned. Okay guys, today I did a pre-pull. It's going to be super simple. These florals are from the Live Love Posh book, the Floral Blossoms. I don't know if this is still available. She did put an announcement on Instagram, was it yesterday, that she is definitely going to be relaunching all of her floral sticker books. So they're not like gone forever, which is awesome. I'm loving the fact that she's going to re-release all of them, and her latest sticker book I think is out now. So just, you know, hang in there. Her website, I will link that below, and it is liveloveposh.com, of course, but the florals are from this book, and I really, really do enjoy her stickers. And I'm really hoping that she will come out with a combo of paper stickers like this and some clear stickers. So I've asked her to, but you know, who am I? But I still did ask. I'm like, oh, I mean, these are gorgeous. Can you imagine having some clear ones? Now I think, no, I'm thinking of something else. I was thinking that maybe I haven't really got to sit down and watch a review, but I don't know if there's clear stickers in the latest launch that she's just done. If there is, just, you know, leave a comment below and let me know, because I'm not really sure. I'm usually pretty busy after work and stuff in the evenings, so I don't watch a ton of stuff. So I just wanted to accent, just to bring a pop of color out. And again, I'm trying to stay a little in the pinky, peachy aesthetic here so that it makes it visually appealing. I'm going to cut this edge off. Like I've told y'all, you know, again and again, don't be afraid to cut your stickers. You know, it just gives your whole page personality, and it makes it your own. You can put them on here any way you want and cut them any way you want. So when I say super simple, I literally, and I don't know why I just put this down knowing that I had washi on here. I literally just pulled washi, and this is some older washi that I've had like forever and a day. I just pulled a bunch off. I didn't even cut it. I just wanted to keep it, if I could get it on here, I wanted to keep it super easy. Just tear it off the roll and stick it down. I'm doing this after work, and I'm tired, and y'all know the struggle's real. You know, I struggle anyhow. Just getting stuck. There we go. Thank you, Lord. Because y'all's going to be like, okay, seriously, Chickie, get it on there. There we go. And I'm just going to line my days just to give it a little bit of color, and so it's not so blah looking. And it's that simple. I think that you can take the simplest thing with just a little strip of washi, and you can add something like this to your page. And especially in a little tiny planner like this, they don't have to be lined up. They don't have to be perfect. And it just adds such a punch. I mean, the littlest thing has just totally transformed the whole personality of the page. I mean, you've went from this plain to kapow. So, just saying. I think you can really make stuff look super cute, and you really don't have to, like, sit around and scratch your head and try to figure out, like, what am I going to do now? You really don't. It's sometimes you just go with your gut and say, you know what, today this is the kind of plan I'm going to do, and I'm going to keep it simple because, you know, I don't want to spend, you know, 3 hours on a little teeny weeny planner like this. Not that it's not important, it's just, you know, and it's little, so you don't really have a lot of room. I think sometimes less is more, if you get my point. Okay, one more, and then we're going to be done with the 3rd week of February. And I think this is cute. There you go. Super simple, super easy, washi, and 3 florals. I mean, how much easier does it get than that, guys? So I hope that you enjoyed the 3rd week of February, the 15th through the 21st, featuring Live, Love, Posh Florals and just some Happy Planner simple, peachy, washi strips that I just tore myself with some gold accents there in it. I don't know if that's, the camera is picking it up. I hope so. Try to get it a little closer. All right, so there we go. If you enjoyed this video, I hope that you will consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of my videos with creative planner content that is out of the box, consider subscribing to my channel. And also hit that bell and select all in the drop down, and YouTube will notify you when I upload a new video, which is generally every Saturday and Sunday at 9 a.m. I did launch a bonus video sometimes on Friday evenings. So be watching for that, guys, okay? All right, you guys have a blessed rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.